which is amazing. At 13, I was like being a jungly on some street playing I don't know what. They're really beautiful paintings, and so many have been done by Nikhar. And I can't believe that she started the Samvedna Foundation when she was 13, which is amazing. At 13, I was like being a jungly on some street playing I don't know what. And it's really incredible that she's doing such amazing work. And I was learning more about the Samvedna Foundation, and I think it's incredible that they work towards enhancing the lives of slum dwellers by organizing medical camps and by sort of giving them more information about health issues, and I think just doing a lot of medical work with slum dwellers in the city. And all the artwork that Nikhar has done is going towards this particular cause, and of all the other artists who have also contributed today. So I'm very happy to be here and support her today, and it's quite cool what she's doing.
अदिति, क्या आप खुद पेंटिंग करते हो और कितनी आपको, हाँ, और दूसरी चीज़ क्या स्ट्रेस बस्टर भी है, क्योंकि कई लोग उसको एज स्ट्रेस बस्टर भी लेते हैं।
पेंटिंग मैं वो बच्चों वाली पेंटिंग नहीं होती, मैं वो बनाती हूँ अभी भी। तो मैं पेंटिंग नहीं करती। आई थिंक मैं गा लेती हूँ, मैं डांस कर लेती हूँ, मैं एक्ट कर लेती हूँ, बहुत है। अभी और भी करूँगी तो लोग बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे। बट दे लाइक इनक्रेडिबल गर्ल्स लाइक निखार, and they're wonderful painters who do such amazing work. I wish I had that gift, but I don't paint very much. I've known of her work, I've known about the foundation, but today is the first time I've met her, and it's really, I'm very happy to have met her because it's so nice to have somebody who's so committed. And as a new member of the film industry, I'm very happy to be here to support her and support this cause.
Aditi, is there any hidden talent of yours, like जो अब तक किसी के पास आया नहीं या फिर बहुत लोगों को सामने आया?
वो अगर हिडन है ना तो वो मैं अभी नहीं बताऊंगी आपको, वो फिर आपको पता चलेगा. Sorry? I'm wearing Anita Dongre and jewelry by Gehna.
Aditi, in case if you ask for support, there are lots of other issues also, like in case if you are supporting your NGO, if you're coming out for what would that?
Say that again, sorry, I didn't get you.
You have your own NGO, if you're coming out to support, there are lots of other issues also, like supporting it. So what are the things you're really close to your heart, like?
I'll have a very long list to give you, but I think the main thing that this country suffers from today is the education. And if everybody in this country was educated, women, men, like young girls, boys, everybody equally, then I think this country would be a much better place. It would be less corrupt. There wouldn't be so many atrocities against women. I think it would be a much, much better place. And we would actually develop and move forward rather than regress back into the dark ages. So I think for me, education is very important, and that's one of the things I really believe in.
सॉरी, सवाल ये है कि आप जानते हो कि इन दिनों काफ़ी सारी बॉलीवुड को हमेशा टारगेट में रहता है मोदी खासकर कि अगर आपने गौहर वाली बात की देखी होगी, क्यों उनको चाटा मारा गया था स्टेज पर कि क्यों कम कपड़े पहनेंगे, ऐसे कई सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में लोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक जाते हैं। तो इस बारे में आप क्या?
इस बारे में कमेंट ही नहीं करना चाहिए बिकॉज दे आर रियली रिडिकुलस इंसिडेंट्स. यू कांट होल्ड द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर कंट्रीज प्रॉब्लम्स because the film industry ultimately is not an industry that is imparting education. They're not an educational institute, they're an entertainment industry. हमारी responsibilities हैं लेकिन वो education की नहीं है. और if the people of our country were educated, they would know right from wrong, good from bad, and they would know how to deal with the information that films are giving them. You can't take every film seriously and act upon it. So I think it depends on people and how they are brought up and how they are educated. So I don't think it's